Today I'm going to be unboxing your video games and your movies to resell on eBay. What is up, everyone? How you doing today? My name is David Franco and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, my name is David. I'm a full-time content creator. I have a huge passion for eBay, and that's the inspiration behind today's video. But yo, shout out to Joshua. Joshua is actually the reason today's video even exists. Weeks ago, he reached out to me and said, look, David, I'm currently in the process of moving. Josh, enjoy. Congrats. Good luck. Moving is a lot of work. And he said, David, I'm moving. I don't want these Xbox games. I don't want these movies. And look, I know you're into reselling, so I want you to take these off my hands. I was like, okay, name a price. And he was like, well, the price is free. Not gonna lie, I was hoping he was gonna say that. But I said, at least let me pay for shipping. So in total, for today's video, I think I paid $14.75 for everything you're going to see. Now keep in mind, today's haul might not be insane. You know, I might break even. I might make $15 back. I don't know. But the fact that Josh reached out to me means a lot to me. And guys, if you're in a similar position and you're looking to offload some inventory, whether you're in personal belongings or you're a manager at a Goodwill or a thrift store, please reach out to me. I'm so interested in buying your inventory, whether for free and I just pay for shipping or whether I pay for the items and shipping. Guys, let's talk. Let's make a deal. My contact information is right below. So please reach out to me. And well, if you send me stuff, I'll unbox them on camera. You have my word. Okay, so Josh, thank you very much. You are awesome, dude. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, so here's the box. Not a huge box, so it's not gonna be like an insane amount of items, but I am excited to list all of these because people love movies, people love video games, so everything in this box is pretty much guaranteed to sell at some point. Also, to make it more interesting for you guys, I'm going to give comments on each item that I come across because I'm a big movie guy. I've seen so many movies over the years, and the first thing I see is this, no strings attached. Natalie Portman, am I right? This is a good movie from what I can recall. I mean, it's not like memorable to the point where it's a movie I have to watch right now, but I do recall enjoying this. Pretty predictable ending. I mean, with a no strings attached title like that. I mean, yeah, you pretty much know how it's gonna end. 50/50. This is a very good movie. This movie I enjoy more than No Strings Attached because it's more of a serious movie, although it is dark comedy. So basically the guy has cancer, right? Well, he has a 50/50 chance of living. That's the whole point of the movie. And there is some dark comedy. Now, cancer is nothing to laugh about. I've lost pretty much all my grandparents due to cancer. Sucks. And guys, that's why I'm so against smoking. But 50/50 is a good movie. And look, it's from the guys who brought you Superbad, which I don't think I knew until today. So that actually explains why I like this so much. I was just watching Superbad last night. No joke. Oh, we got a metal case. Avengers. Very cool. Age of Ultron. Oh, Blu-ray 3D. Dude, guaranteed sale right here. Josh, thank you very much. This is my favorite of today so far. Ted, which is actually an answer on Jeopardy last night. I got it right. Good movie. It should sell for like a few bucks. This is random. Superman playing cards. This is not part of the deal, so I appreciate the kind gesture, the nice surprise. Bonus items are always good. Very easy to ship. And actually, there is a barcode right there. Where's my phone? So I'm going to scan this for you guys real quick. Honestly, guys, I wouldn't be surprised if it sold for less than $5. Go to sold comps. No sales. But that's okay. There are other people listing it. So I'll let it go for cheap. Ooh, Destiny for the PS4. Ironically, I have like 5 or 6 of these to sell still. But hey, I'll add it to my collection. I just got to edit that quantity. Jurassic World, good movie, and the last movie I ever saw in theaters because some idiot in front of me kept texting his girlfriend and constantly quitting the texting app, and it felt like saying you don't have to close your texting app, and why are you even texting to begin with in the movie theater? It's disrespectful. Anyway, good movie, not as good as Jurassic Park, of course, but solid movie. Call of Duty World at War on Xbox 360. This should sell pretty quickly because I know for a fact a lot of people like World at War. Very nice. Another Avengers movie. Wow, this should sell almost instantly. Infinity War. Dude, Josh, thank you. That is definitely the bread and butter of today's unboxing. Let me see here. Inside Out on Blu-ray. Guaranteed sale. Disney Pixar. Easy sales right there. Also a great movie. Don't really remember too much about it, to be honest, but good movie. Batman vs. Superman, Dawn of Justice. Oh, sealed DVD. Very nice. I don't think this will sell for much, but I am curious to check out the value real quick. Let me see. Go to sold comps. Okay, eBay. Cool. Just do that to me. Go to sold comps. Yeah, this recently sold for, oh wow, brand new sealed, $8.50, free shipping. So that's actually not bad. Not bad. Oh my God, 500 Days of Summer. I've seen this movie countless times. Guys, if you've never seen this movie, please watch it soon. It is so good. The storytelling aspect is incredible. The Other Guys, I think Adam McKay directed this, right? The Other Guys. Very nice. Let me see how well I know my movies. I'm pretty sure it's Adam McKay. Directed by Adam McKay. Love it. Oh, and by the way, that's the same guy behind Step Brothers. That's the only reason I know that. Step Brothers will always be a favorite comedy of mine. Oh, The Hunger Games. Such a good movie. This is 2-disc DVD and digital copy. So, very nice. Good movie. Really, really good movie. And now I haven't read the book. I don't know how to read. Kingsman, The Secret Service. I actually have this on Blu-ray. So it'll be nice to sell a copy that's not mine. Thank you, thank you. Call of Duty Black Ops on Xbox 360. Loose disc, but no biggie. Unfortunately, the case is broken, but that's okay. I can sell it as is. Not a big deal. People love Black Ops. I love Black Ops. Oh, another tin case. Star Wars, The Force Awakens. Guys, it has been years since I've seen a Star Wars movie. I know, it's embarrassing, right? I'm sorry. And I call myself a geek. Atonement? I'm probably saying that wrong. I don't think I've heard of this movie, actually. Huh. So there you go. I actually like this case. It's got the little doors right here. Very nice. Oh my God. The Last of Us Remastered on PlayStation 4. Dude, I didn't realize you had PS4 games in here. One of my favorite games of all time. Seriously, guys, The Last of Us is the reason to get a PlayStation. Wow, brand new sealed, The Polar Express on Blu-ray. One of my favorite Christmas movies of all time. Absolutely incredible soundtrack. Now, a lot of people don't like the animation because this was the first movie of its kind to use some kind of brand new animation technology. I forget the name right now. But I know that's why a lot of people didn't like it. Because, yeah, I mean, I will agree, the animation's a little weird sometimes. But to my opinion, that's what makes it so great. Like, it's a very unique animation style. I just love this movie. I love Tom Hanks. And Tom Hanks plays, what, like 4 or 5 different roles? Phenomenal movie. And it's sealed in the plastic, which is great. Furious 7. Never seen it. But it is Blu-ray. And we got the tin case. So that will definitely sell. Tomorrowland. My dad loves this movie on Blu-ray. You gotta love it. Excellent condition. Josh, I can tell you actually took care of your stuff. Thank you. Oh my God. Food Inc. Wrapped in plastic. Brand new DVD. Maybe a loose disc. I don't know. But this is a movie I will never watch again. I've seen it once, and in my opinion, this is the kind of movie you should watch just for the sake of raising awareness to know where your food comes from and how these animals are treated, unfortunately. But after you watch it once, don't watch it again. Because I love animals, but I also love eating animals. So you just can't win there. Still though, excellent movie. It's not even a movie, it's more of a documentary. Documentary. What is wrong with me? I've had 1 cup of coffee today. Water for Elephants. I think I've actually heard of this movie. I don't know anything about it, but the name sounds familiar. Very interesting. And last, but certainly not least, Pride and Prejudice. This I have not seen. I have not seen this movie, but I'm liking what I see on the cover. That's what's her name? Oh, Keira Knightley. Yeah, I know her. I just don't know her name. And the guy in the background looks like... Actually, is that the guy from... What's it called? The Village? That looks like him from The Village. I could be wrong. Anyway, I think... I just threw it. Anyway, I'm done. Josh, thank you very much. Not a bad unboxing. Quite solid because we've had a handful of brand new titles like Food Inc. and the fact that I have a couple tin cases in here. Yeah, in theory, this is gonna pay for itself. This is gonna pay for itself. And same goes for the Marvel movies. Guys, thank you so much. Josh, thank you very much for sending these out. I really, really appreciate it. Guys, again, if you wanna make a deal, contact me right below. I'm very serious about this eBay business because let's face it, some people don't have the patience. They don't have the time to list on eBay because eBay is very, very time consuming. So hit me up. I'm here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know right below and click that like button. Let's see if we can get at least 100 likes. I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Peace.